Welcome to our channel, Nomakaya K Munaheng. We love you, mommy. I love you, mommy.
Hey, I hope the car is gonna roses.
Ay, mommy, baka na just grip off.
Morning, morning. Come. Let's go then. Thank you. Me and the best neighbors. Oh, so that's the glass scraper. Oh, you see what you need now. Yeah.
Headlights are even the eyes.
Even the lights.
Throw one out. Come on, Cal. Your van? Got two in your van.
Hi. Good morning. You see, when you're freezing, that's how you sing the song. Oh. Sanbonan Bantase. Today we are already here at the stores. So, big sister's looking for a watch for her Fit watch. So we are here to look for it. And then, yeah, we'll see what you do after. I've never seen this before. I'm sure the clothes smell nice. Do you want us to try it?
Yes.
Home now, guys. So I'll just show you what I got. We started at Home Bargains and then went to Pepco. So these ones is from Pepco. £3 t-shirt for K1. It's this one for my Katie. This is just a nice summer dress that yeah, we bought these for K2's teacher. I bought some socks, but otherwise I got these. Probably I'll wear these with my Nikes and my other sneakers. This, it has fluff, so now I'm just gonna try a black because it goes with everything.
Nice.
Yeah,
Nice.
it's nice. I also got what's the other one, guys?
What?
Ooh, wait now. So I got these kitchen utensils for K2 here at home. And then no, it's a dress. Look at it. Yeah. And this one for K1 for her lunch box. Yes, it's yours, my angel. This recovery oil, I want to use it for guys. I have these scars around my body. I think this is gonna, it's affordable, it's only £1. These like funny marks in my body. I've got a very sensitive skin. Like if I bump a table, I get a bruise after a while. Here, I was opening the microwave and then those clips caught me. And then on my feet, I got burned. I don't know if you can see them by the hot water. Oh gosh, by the hot water. These collagen tablets, I've been drinking them for a while now. I want them to help me with my nails as well as my hair since I cut my hair. I also got this air fresheners that you can put around the house. If you look up there, it says living room, bathroom or kitchen. So I want something that will make the house smell nice. This is what I was holding in store. This is a steamer and iron water. So I'm guessing it smells nice while you iron. Ooh, smells nice. Ooh, yeah. You know how it is here. Most of the laundry, you have to dry it inside the house. So I think the ironing part of it will help. I also got the pink Himalayan salt. I want us to try using the salt instead of the white one because of the minerals that are in there. And then this is what we went to the store for. So K1 was looking for a battery for a Fit watch. We got them and we had to buy the whole set. And then I got this nice clever ideas.
Very clever.
I love it because it has these different colors. Oh, I didn't see these. Are these stickers?
Let me see.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah.
And then it has these nice stickers at the end. Ooh, these are nice. No. Please go sit with your sister. And then I've got this frying pan. But it's not. Oh yeah, it says non-stick there. I've got this bigger frying pan. We'll see how it works. Only for £7. And I got this microfiber cloths. I also got these coasters for the table. Hi, Katla, they are two-toned. Did you see? They are two-toned. So they are charcoal and they're black on the other side, which is nice. And then I also got some soda crystals. Yay, mommy got you that. So fuzzy and nice. Ooh, squishy, squishy. Yeah, love it? Yeah. So my total spend for today, gosh, £43 and 50 pence. And no bargain. My spend was £11.76. So it's just for this. Yeah. So that's it for now. We are going to prepare our meal for the day. I don't know if Daddy did go and get the...
Yeah, he went to Lidl.
You got my... Okay. I bought some Asian noodles. We're going to try them out. And with some chicken strips. We loved it last time. Just that this time I'll make sure I don't make a big portion because it does fill you up very well. And also, I won't cook it for too long. Even my veggies, I won't put them for too long. I want them to be a bit crunchy instead of all soggy.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, K2.
It's K2. This is K2.
Yeah. Let's go. Javi just came in with the Asian noodles that we're going to try. So these are the noodles. Those are the noodles. And it says 1 to 2 minutes to prepare. I think last time I prepared it for too long. That's why they were not all crunchy and stuff. And then we also got the chicken breast fillets. And also got some nectarines. Would you like one?
Yeah.
Alright. Let me get one for you. There you go. You want to slice or you bite? Sliced. Anyway, they make a noise. You see what?
What is... Mommy?
Okay. Thank you. Enjoy. So let me get out the ingredients for the Asian noodles and we'll go through it together. So the ingredients are all ready. This is my mushroom, peppers, green onion, and the bottom of the spring onion. So this is the bottom part there, the top part there, carrots, chicken, and the noodles are all here. So I'm just want to start with the chicken. After the chicken, move over to the other one. So while I'm cutting the carrots, it will cook up. Exactly. Try again. Please, Miss Paki. Yeah, okay. I'm making some noodles for us.
It should be orange.
And then for my sauces, I've got the dark soy sauce. Apparently this is for color. And the light soy sauce is for taste. The oyster sauce. I wonder what does it taste like. And then sesame oil. It says intensely nutty. intensely nutty, so we're gonna see how it goes. But now we're going to season our chicken. Okay, just gonna use our pink sauce. Until paprika kamu fatsimo. Do you even have paprika?
Okay. Why did we even get syrup?
Yeah, man, got paprika now.
Canadian maple syrup. What is it?
So these are the noodles. You get 2 packets inside. The last onion. So I don't want to break them up like last time. So I'll just put this in the middle and just spread it around. I'm adding 2 for ladies and K1's lunch box, so that I don't have to cook twice or prepare something separate. Like soy sauce. This one I'm not sure about it, the oyster sauce. I'll try it when I'll try it if we're having something seafood. I don't want to mess this one up. I'm screaming, nobody's hearing me.
Where's the chicken?
So food is ready. Lunch boxes are also ready.